Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megha. Yes, you are seeing me in my all natural form. So of course you guys can tell that I'm not wearing any makeup because today I'm doing a makeup challenge जिसमें I'm going to be using only 5 products, and also the best part about this makeup is that it's a no foundation makeup. So one of my dear friends recommended me that I should do a no foundation makeup look, and here it is. Honestly, sitting like without makeup in front of the camera when you know all of your flaws are like out there, it's a little scary, but I mean I have actually come to terms with कि हर किसी के चेहरे पे you know कुछ ना कुछ flaws होते हैं. Mine are of course my dark circles. Earlier I used to have a major acne problem जिसकी वजह से मेरे face पे भी बहुत acne marks थे. But touch wood, like I have been taking care of my skin and they have gone. But yeah, with the dark circles I have made peace that I have to use good products to hide them. And also, like a lot of Indian women, we have certain problematic areas on our face. There is a lot of pigmentation that's there. Of course there are acne scars, and of course उन चीज़ों को hide करने में makeup helps. So yeah, today's video is about a makeup that is super light on your skin, and also it's a everyday makeup look that you can easily recreate. थोड़ा सा मैंने इसे challenging बना दिया. I have to say that I'm only going to be using 5 products. I have prepped my skin. मैंने already moisturizer, sunscreen सब लगा लिया है. This is one of the new things that I have bought. And I'm actually really liking it. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I think summers के लिए this water gel based face cream is super, and also smells really nice. I am still like trying it out, so let me see how this works. It is not at all oily, of course, because it's gel based, and I have used this Nykaa Vanilla Lip Balm on my lips. So yeah, let me introduce you to the 5 products that I'm going to be using today. The first one is the Nykaa Conceal and Correct palette. Because I'm not using any foundation, of course मुझे concealer की तो ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, तो इसमें अच्छी variants के shades हैं that I can use. I think it's going to be super helpful today. The next product I will be using is the Fit Me Loose Powder. I mean, you cannot step out of your house without a loose powder because वो actually help करता है कि आपका पूरा makeup अच्छे से set हो जाए. The third product I'm going to be using is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I think off lately मेरे को अपनी brows fill करने का काफ़ी एक आदत पड़ गई है जिसके बिना I just cannot step out of the house. Next product I'm using is the Kiko Milano Mascara, which is in the shade brown because brown is a very good shade for daytime. And the last, and I think the hero product of this makeup look, is going to be this Maybelline lipstick in Mesmerizing Magenta. I think I'm going to try and use this shade for multiple purpose, but yeah, let's see. So guys, let's start off with the makeup. I'm going to be first concealing my under eyes and whatever pigmentation I have on my face. Finally, my Goa series ended. How did you guys like my Goa series? Yeah, I actually quite enjoyed there. Taking like super light product and dabbing it with my ring finger. So let me know under the comment section if you guys enjoyed my Goa series. I think I'll get better with travel vlogs time के साथ, because ये पहला था तो थोड़ा सा problem हो रही थी मुझे. Not taking much of concealer because it's a daytime look and I don't want this look to be heavy at all. Okay, now I'm going to be taking some loose powder under my eye. Always take any of your base product on your neck also. Yeah, I think our base is done. Of course, some of my dark circles are showing, but I think this look is all about, embracing your flaws a little. So yeah, we are gonna just keep that as it is. Brushing my eyebrows before filling. This is an amazing product for eyebrows, I have to say. Like, Benefit is really good for eyebrows. I think I told you guys in my everyday makeup look that I don't like to fill my brows like एकदम precisely. मैं बहुत ही gaps fill type कर लेती हूँ, and I think I am good to go. Okay, brows are done. Now moving on to some eyeshadow. Now of course I don't have eyeshadow, so I'm trying to use this shade as my eyeshadow. Let's see how this works. I'm just going to take some lipstick on my eyeshadow blending brush. I have never done this in my life, you guys. I hope this works, huh? Okay, the pigmentation is coming. I think I'm going to be creating like a soft pink look. though this lipstick is quite pigmented, like to my surprise, you guys. So ऊपर थोड़ा सा ना incomplete लग रहा है. So let's try if we can give some shadow effect on the lower lash line. Let's use some mascara now. This is the Kiko Milano one. Okay guys, mascara is also done. Now let's try to apply some blush using the same lip shade. Guys, when I'm taking the product on the brush, I'm dabbing it over my hand so that excess product nikal jaye, because these are like techniques that we don't usually work with. So you don't want them to like fail, right? With a very light hand I'm applying this, by the way. But I'm like thinking this lipstick was a good choice. ये अच्छे से blush और इसमें eyeshadow का काम कर रहा है. Pretty nice. Such a nice pink flush of color this has given on my cheeks. Really liking this. And finally, let's use the lipstick as a lipstick. Now of course this is a day look and I don't want my lips to be like perfectly lined. I just want that hint of color on my lips. So I'm using my ring finger to blend the lipstick. I think we are done with the makeup look. Okay guys, so with this we come to the end of the video. This is the makeup look that I have created using only 5 products. I hope you guys like this challenge video. I think this soft pink day look is going to look very nice if you have proper products, like आपके पास proper eyeshadow, highlighter, foundation, ये सब चीजें होंगी. Do let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do any such other videos and I shall do them for you. Yes guys, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. I will see you very soon guys. Bye.